E county ma Migori and Governor ma Migori County manoero Laktar Ochilo Ayako ochiwo siem mager ne jotije mag county no ero mabende leo ma ok otimo tijegi kaka owinjore ni ndalogi koro to ikwano. Kolose odiochieng' mare mokwongo e apis kaka gavana ma kono ero, Ayako wacho ni telo mare ok bi chiwo thuolo ne jogo eko mabende leo ne tijegi. Kowacho ni nitiere kwan mamalo mag jopiny mabende onge kod tich to gin kod lony mar timo tije makamago eko e county. Owacho ni okang' mager ibiro kaw ne jotijego eko mag county ma Migori mabende ok okawo tijegi e yo motegno kendo leo ma ok otimo tijegi eko ka mago eko okang' makamano ero ibiro mana kaw ne jogo eko matie county mabende leo ma ok ochopo e tijegi kaka owinjore.
Reports that have received, we have quite a sizable chunk of pending bills that we need to verify and pay if they are payable. We also have challenges in staff establishment. We have other challenges that we will be dealing with, like our budget. We need to have a supplementary budget so that we are able to move forward. I also want to say that we are just peaking from a tense political environment, both locally and nationally. These hopes at the national level is frozen. They are waiting for the verdict of the Supreme Court. They are half excited about the change that we were able to deliver through the ballot, but they are not as excited as they would have been if Baba became president, and they are still hopefully praying, desperately praying to God that justice will be done to their votes. So that is the mood of the people of Migori. The workers of Migori County that we have had occasion to meet are looking forward to our administration and seem to be willing to work with us on the changes that we pledged to deliver. I want to tell the public servants of Migori County that get back to work, stop truancy, stop maladministration, stop laziness, get back to work. When you work well for your administration, you work well for yourself and the people. When you work well for the administration, you also work well for God, because God installs governments and the rulers of the day. So I want to urge the public servants of Migori, get back to work. We have been mandated by the public to effect changes swiftly and efficiently, and we will not allow our servants to stand on the way. If they stand on the way, we'll get them out of that way. The contract that we can assure you of is work. Work diligently, work honestly, work very hard for the people, because we will not wait until the people are unhappy with us. We will express our unhappiness with you for failure to join us in delivering for the people of Migori. For the people of Migori, we are taking over at a time of difficulty. We know that there is runaway unemployment, runaway poverty, runaway situations that make it seem hopeless for our people. We have come into office when the administration has made very many commitments, and we may be having challenges in terms of cash flow, in terms of money for development. We also have challenges in terms of opportunity to quickly absorb people who would contribute to our vision and dream. But we are equal to those challenges, and we promise to deliver. We will seek partnership at the national level. We will seek partnership locally so that we have